Hello, hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Chelsea J Experience, where I give you uncensored and unfiltered advice on all things career and business because I made all the mistakes so you don't have to. Today, we are going to talk about another one of my favorite topics, which is near and dear to my heart because I've experienced it multiple times, and that is, should you work with family and friends when it comes to your business? Ooh, I can talk about this all day. All right. Should you work with your family and friends? I will say the general answer is it depends. For me, it's a no. But let's just say it depends. All right. So we'll go with that, and then I'll tell you why my reasoning is a no. I have a lot of friends and colleagues who do choose to work with their family and friends. And they've all run across some of the same problems. If you are going to do this and do this the right way, the number one thing that you need to do is establish boundaries. Your family and friends will automatically think that since they are connected to you in a more intimate and personal way, you're going to do them a solid. And what does that solid often look like? It often looks like a discount. It often looks like extra time. And it often looks like put me before everybody else. All right. I will give you some examples. So you are running a business. Your friend comes to you and says, hey, let's say you're a graphic designer. Let's do that. That one's just easier and pretty universal. Your friend comes to you or family member and says, hey, I need a logo for a new business that I'm starting. I know that you're a designer. Please help me. And you say, oh, sweet. Okay, I got some business, family friend came to me. All right, let's go ahead and start talking about pricing and process. And let's say you drop the price on them and you say, okay, well, my logo package is $1,500. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get a, you're not going to charge me $1,500. And you turn around and you say, that's my price. And what do family members and friends say? But we're family, or but we're friends. You're not going to give me some kind of discount? So then you start to second guess yourself and you say, oh, wow, I guess we are family and friends. I do need to give you a discount. Okay, so now what does that discount look like? So here you go. You drop the price to, let's say, $1,000. Most of the time, family and friends will turn around and tell you, oh, I didn't budget that because I know somebody down the block that's cheaper. If you are a people pleaser or trying to bend and meet their needs, you say, okay, what was your budget? They tell you 500. You are already out of $1,000. Now, here's the next thing. Since you are a family or a friend, they want it quick. And that means, oh, okay, I got to put you in front of my other clients who actually paid full price. So what does that mean for you? That means extra stress and extra time. When you complete that project, your family or friend usually wants multiple revisions because they feel like they're entitled to it. So at this point, you've lost both money and time trying to cater to family and friends. Now, let me make this clear. I'm not saying that all family and friends expect a deal, expect you to do a solid for them. I'm not saying that they're all like that, but I am saying that most are. And the majority, I would say about 80% of business owners that I know have dealt with a family member or friend who has done that to them. And one of the things that I always tell friends or my clients is this. Ask them, would they go into the store and negotiate their groceries? Would they go to a barber shop and say, hey, since I've been here for a long time and I know you, I need you to cut my hair for half the price? Or would they go into a furniture store and say, no, I'm only paying that because that's my budget? People would laugh in their face. But for some reason, there's this entitlement when it comes to being a family member or friend. And that is why I say you need to have strong boundaries. If you are going to work with family and friends, you need to be able to say, no, This is my price, this is my timeline, and this is my current schedule. If that does not work for you, I can refer you out to someone else. And you need to be okay with that. Yes, there will be hurt feelings. Yes, if it's a family member, they'll go talk about you to another family member and say, I can't believe. And there will be guilt trips just dishing out here and there. But you need to be comfortable and confident when it comes to running your business and establishing those boundaries. And sometimes they may hurt feelings or potentially ruin a relationship. For me, I have experienced a lot of that, a lot of, I need a discount. I can't believe you would charge me that much. And just taking up extra time. I have finally got to the point where I have a no friends or family policy. And I do that because it's easier for me to say that. No, I don't work with family or friends. I have a no family friend policy. It makes life easier because it is harder to argue with people who say, no, I have a policy that prohibits me from doing that. And that way they can move on and go to the next person and they can try that with them and see where that gets them. So that is my answer. No family, friends. I don't want to go through the bartering system, the back and forth, the hurt feelings, the guilt trips. I just wouldn't recommend it because family and friends you're going to be tied to for life, and you don't want to ruin a relationship over one business transaction, right? So you also have to factor that in. Now, if you are a person who says, Chelsea, that's money. I want to work with family and friends and I want to be able to help them. Okay, you need to have a solid plan and you need to stick with that plan. When your family and friends come to you, are you going to offer some type of discount? And is that discount going to be across the board? Is it going to be 10, 20% family discount? And you need to be comfortable with that and also make sure that you're getting a profit. So to answer the question, should I work with family and friends? It all depends on your level of comfort, your patience levels, your tolerance, and how you want to run your business. This is your business. You run it the way that you want to, and you get to work with who you want to as well. That's my 2 cents when it comes to working with family and friends. I'd love to hear your feedback. Do you work with family or friends, or do you plan on working with them? Or do you have a story that you want to share? I would love to hear your experience with it and how you set boundaries and how that relationship has worked for you long term. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're building a community here, all right? And I want you to be part of it. And I want you to know whenever I drop another video. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Until next time, bye.